Today, we're gonna go a little bit outside the city, explore the woods, find some firewoods, make a special fire going, cook some delicious hamburgers with campfire bread, and have a lot of fun in the middle of a dry riverbed. Alright, it's 3 p.m. We are in a small city. My friend Ali and I are going to Najwan Park. That's interesting. This little mountain is called Atashgah. It's actually inside the city, and there's an ancient Zoroastrian temple on top of it. We got these babies. We call them Balal. We're gonna cook them on fire. This is an old building called Qawwam Fort. It's an almost 200-year-old tower. This is Zayandeh Rood River. Because of the climate change in the past decades, the river in this area is dry, but fortunately past couple years were rainy and it will be filled with water soon. But still, it does have a great nature and wonderful views. It's traditional that people plant violets in Iran before New Year. Dog! And here we are. Hey, Fishy! Hey, kitty! Meow! Hey, kitty! Come on. Let's find some wood. How is this, man?
No good.
It's almost the sunset. So we have to be quick. All right. Seems like a decent spot. Okay, because it's the bottom of the river, it's too windy. All right, we got the firewood. Now we're just gonna make a fire going and cook some meal. That's a lot of wood. Oh, God. Oh, we're gonna start to cook some meal right now. We have a little mixed up from bread flour, sugar, salt, yeast, and hot water. It will be delicious, nice, hot, fresh bread. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna be delicious. Jesus. Ooh, magic. It's magical fire. The bread is ready. One side is really nice and the other side is a little bit burnt. Oh man. We got 4 breads ready and it's time for hamburger meat. Woo, baby! I'm gonna eat those babies. Oh yeah. Freaking ready! Time for lemonade. Right. Sorry about that. With the my friend Ali is gonna bring the potatoes and we're gonna put them on fire. These little babies, walnuts, we're gonna put them on fire. Potatoes. We got some onions as well. Oh yeah. I don't know why, but the color of the fire is purple in the camera, which is, I think, interesting. Hey, listen carefully. You can hear the corns cracking.
That's ready.
I'm just gonna Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. Man.
Wow,
One side is
Jesus.
You can see the oil come out of the kernel. This is actually bird. We cannot eat this, but in the normal circumstances, it will be fine and delicious. Onions. Unfortunately, all the walnuts are burned. That they are turned to ashes. I cannot find them. I really messed up here. That's a valuable lesson, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Walnuts are gonna be cooked real fast. Whoa, that's hot. Go ahead, man.
Thank you.
Oh. It's yummy, but it's freaking hot. Whoa. Look at this onion. Oh my god. No.
No, اصلا پیشنهاد.
Not bad. It's really beautiful. It was such a great experience, and I'm grateful from God. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment. I would be happy to read your comments. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next video.